Morning and welcome to the vlog. And for today ay pupunta tayo sa HGC Cebu to check the helmets available. Naka-on sale sila and I think today is the last day. 40% to 50% on all items. So check natin guys if ever may magustuhan tayo. Hoping na may magustuhan and may mag-fit. And this will be our first HGC helmet. Okay. Wag na lang tayong mag-beating the red light. Kasi yun yung prone sa disgrasya. Anyway, yung init kasama naman, package naman yan sa pagmumotor. Almost there, 250 kilometers away, and I think we are here. Motology HGC.
Destination is on your right.
HJC. Wow. Okay. Kanina lang unta kaso dili gyapon paigo. R41 XL, okay, unta pero wala kay budget. And we are back. Goodbye HGC. Unfortunately hindi po tayo nakabili kasi yung Alpha 11 na gusto ko sanang bilhin ay wala ng size, and nakapag-decide ako na mag-modular na lang, and unfortunately hindi rin po kasya yung large. I assumed na pag modular medyo maluwag, pero unfortunately hindi po siya kasya sa ulo ko, size large. Dapat XL po talaga. Yung available XL na lang nila ay HGC Alpha 1, which is I think the premium variant, and unfortunately hindi pa kasya sa budget, so I think I'll pass pa muna. Maybe next time pag nakapagluwag-luwag ay makabili tayo ng Alpha 1, pero at the moment hindi pa available sa budget, hindi pa kasya sa budget. Anyway, yan lang, at least naka test fit tayo, and if ever may sale sa Shopee and may extrang budget tayo, sa Shopee na lang natin bibilhin, may vouchers pa naman. Whew! Anyway, balik na tayo. I think that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Ride safe. Bye bye.